Hey guys, I'm back, and in today's video I will be talking about my retightening process and retightening tools that you can use if you have medium to skinny sized locks that ranges from micro locks to traditional locks. I don't know, you pick, you choose, but this is something that I have done to maintain my own locks and also one of my longtime clients logs that will drop some clips in this video, just demonstrating what I actually do with these tools. So stay tuned. So, like I said, I will be discussing my retightening tools in this video and giving you guys a little trick I learned, which is like recently, because I think when I did start my locks, it was before the pandemic. And then when I tried to get hold of a retightening tool that was online, I don't know, I just couldn't get it. I couldn't find it. And then I tried to use several different methods to just maybe take a break from latch hooking. The reason why, and this is a latch hook, by the way, I have done a demo video of how I retightened my locks, but just in case it's foreign to you, it looks kind of like a hook, but it does close. So it's a latch hook. It does, yeah, it latches, and you've probably seen it at a beauty supply store or yeah, some stores that have your knitting needlework kind of arrangement. So if you're looking for one of these, it's called a latch hook. In case you want to remember that, if you yeah, if it's new to you. So I did actually do a demo video of how I retightened my locks with this latch hook, and I can't really say whether it was easy or difficult, but sometimes if my hair hasn't been retightened in a while, um, depending on the state of the roots of my locks, it tends to actually be kind of difficult. Like my hair would actually get stuck in a latch hook. So one of the tricks that I learned online was just using a bobby pin. If you don't have a retightening lock, like there's a sister lock tool, and I think there's also a micro lock tool, and maybe they might be pretty expensive or you can't get them in the area that you are, which was the case for me. I couldn't really get a hook where I am, and when I tried to get it online, I think that was around 2020, around the pandemic, just when the pandemic hit, and then the person I had asked to collect it for me just could not find it. I don't know why. It's just it can be difficult to find. Like, so I did actually realize that I could take a bobby pin, just like a regular bobby pin, guys, regular, and split it a little, like right at the top, right, and then try to reshape it again to form what would look like a locking tool. So I'm doing this right here so that you guys know that this is not some special thing that I got from um, a store or anything. It's just a regular bobby pin. And so if you are a DIYer like myself, um, you kind of shape it, I don't know, it takes a little bit of work, but you shape it to be wider at the top, and then it's thinner at the bottom, and that's where you hold. Press it down a little, and then you can pass it through the roots of your locks. So don't mind the flint in my hair. Do not mind the flint in my hair. Okay, so I just passed that through, and there it goes. And I did there, there. And so it's pretty basic, it's pretty easy. Like if you can actually make one of these yourself, you don't actually need to hold on to a latch hook. If you're really like desperate or you're in between reties and you just feel like you want something quick, it's actually a bit quicker. I think retightening my locks with this bobby pin was quicker than retightening with the latch hook. I don't know why. I can't explain the science behind it. But anyway, I'll show you guys what I did with traditional locks, which are on the smaller side, and uh, the person the person's locks aka my mom, the person's locks are on the slimmer side of traditional locks, and she does have very fine hair. So I found that I could interchange between using a regular latch hook, a bobby pin, and also a bigger latch hook. So there are different sizes of these latch hooks depending on where you go and check for these. So that's kind of what I wanted to talk to you guys about. I hope it makes sense. I hope the clip makes sense, and I will see you guys in my next video.